Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project which name is Boom Crypto Market. It's a BCM coin project and you can see that it's a DeFi project, and also you can read more about the BCM projects just to click on the read white paper. And guys, you can also that you can change the currency here. Just select the coin, like I am going to select the Bitcoin and I am going to put just 2 BTC here, and I want to convert the 2 BTC into Polkadot coin. So just select the Polkadot coin here, and then you will see that 2793.35 Polkadot coins are here, and the total value of these coins which is 1,13,661.54 guys. This is the tokenomics of the BCM coin. Like in stacking it's almost 35%, in pre-sale almost 25%, in development it's almost 10%, and in marketing it's almost 10%, in team it's 5%, liquidity and exchange is almost 15%. Total supply of the BCM coin is almost 1 lakh. Its hard cap is almost 900 BNB coins, and in the soft cap it's almost 300 BNB coins. Guys, this is the buy and sell services. You can see that they read that users can find procurements buyers who need services, and procurements buyers can also find competent professionals to undertake jobs remotely. And you can also read about the currency swap, stacking, trust, and also currency watch and transparency. Guys, this is the roadmap of the BCM crypto market. It's almost in 2021 Q1 token minting and team formation, and in Q2 launch of listing platform, and it's Q2 2021 it's a launch of marketplace, and it's Q2 fiat deposit and swap, and also it's a partnership and listing on exchanges, a launch of stacking platform, and also stacking rewards with more crypto assets, and at the last launch of mobile app. Guys, this is the audit and reports, so you can also see that here. It's a Binance Smart Chain, and guys, these are the other links. This is the services, it's about us page, and this is a term of services and privacy policy. You can also contact with them through this email or through this email. Guys, we can also have a bounty of BCM coins, but before that I will show you that the BCM coins trading is already started on PancakeSwap. So this is the PancakeSwap, and it's the BCM coin which is already listed here, and you can just connect this here, and after that you can convert that. So guys, we are going to see the bounty of BCM coin. So it's a huge project. It's so guys, I already told you that the BCM coin is already listed on the PancakeSwap, and it's also listed on the GoSwap exchange. This is the bounty allocation. It's almost in Facebook they are going to distribute the 20%. It's almost 200 BCM coin, and the total bounty of the BCM coin is almost $40,000. 1 BCM is equal to $40. So that in Twitter they are going to distribute almost 200 BCM coins, which value is almost $8,000. In LinkedIn 20%, Telegram 5%, it's almost 50 BCM, which value is almost $2,000. In translation it's almost 5%. Blog and article is almost 15%, and in YouTube video they are going to distribute the total of 150 BCM coins, which value is almost $6,000. So guys, this is the proof of authentication. So just put it your Bitcoin Talk username here, Telegram username, this is the campaign which you want to join, like Facebook, Twitter, blog, YouTube, etc., and this is the spreadsheet number. So guys, these are the rules of the BCM coin bounty. It's almost you must to join the Telegram group, and you can also read more about here. So guys, this is the week 1 which is already ended, and week 2 is already ended, so week 3 start, and in April 8th it's almost ended. So guys, we have just 1 week. If you want to join, you can also join here. So in the Facebook campaign, if you have good friends, you would get to almost good stack here if you have a good amount of friends. So guys, you must to join the group of the Boom Crypto Market, and then you must to like the Facebook page. You must to have at least 200 friends to join the campaign. Minimum 5 shares per week and minimum 2 posts per week. You must to add these hashtag in every post. So guys, you must to fill the registration form to participate in the BCM campaign. So guys, just put it your username Bitcoin Talk here, and then put it your Bitcoin Talk profile link. After that, you must to put your Telegram username, your Facebook profile link, then select the option that how many friends you have in your Facebook account, and after that just submit your BSC wallet address here. And if you don't know that how to create the BSC wallet address, then these are 2 videos will help you. So just put it your BSC address here, and then just click on the submit option, and you will participate in the Facebook campaign. This is the weekly report of the Facebook campaign. So guys, just put it your week here, Bitcoin Talk profile link, then after that your number on the spreadsheet, and after that just put your Facebook link here. Just put your post links here, and after that then put it your share links, almost 5 6 or 7 put it here, and then submit in the bounty reply option. So guys, this is the Twitter campaign, same as it is. You can also join like the Facebook campaign. So if you have good amount of followers, you will get good amounts of stacks. Just read all these rules and put it these hashtags in every tweet that you are going to submit. So it's the form, you must to fill the registration form and the spreadsheet. This is the weekly report. And guys, like this is the LinkedIn campaign. If you have good amount of friends in the LinkedIn, you will get good amount of stacks. So just read it the rules here, and this is the registration form, and this is the weekly report. So guys, this is the YouTube campaign. If you are going to make a good video in the YouTube campaign, you will get good amount of stacks, like high quality is equal to 10 stacks, and medium quality video will get almost 5 stacks, and in low quality you will get almost 1 stacks. Our participant must to subscribe the YouTube channel here, and you must to have at least 200 real followers, I mean to say subscribers on your YouTube channel. Video language must to be in English, and they just accept the English languages, and one participant just submit a maximum of 2 videos. And also guys, the video length is almost 2 minutes. So this is the registration form, and this is the spreadsheet. Guys, after that is the article and blog campaign. If you are going to make a good article, you will get almost 10 stacks. Medium quality is almost will get the 5 stacks, and in low quality you will get almost 1 stacks. So guys, you must to follow the Telegram group, I mean to join the group, and minimum article is almost 500 words, and a topic should be relevant to the boom crypto market, and you can also read more rules here. So guys, article must be unique, and that is going to be just accepted. So this is a registration form, and this is the spreadsheet. So this is a translation campaign, just read it about here. And then this is the Telegram campaign. So guys, if you have any type of question about this bounty, then you can ask in the comment. See you, bye bye.